Everyone who fishes in the state of Vermont must follow regulations that are designed to keep fish populations healthy for generations to come. This includes having a fishing license if you are age 15 or older. The Vermont Fishing Guide and Regulations Official State Regulations booklet is an important source of information about what is allowed and is not allowed while fishing in Vermont waters. An electronic version of this booklet can be accessed online. Alternatively, call 802-828-1190 to locate the agent nearest or to have a printed copy that can be mailed directly to you. Vermont's general fishing regulations are mostly described in 3 tables. Table 1 contains general fishing regulations for Vermont. This is available at this website. It lists the fish species, types of water bodies in which each species is found, minimum length to legally keep a fish of that species, daily limit, the amount an angler can take away from the water body each day, legal methods to catch the fish species, and the open season during which anglers are allowed to catch the fish species. To use the table, find the fish species you have caught in the column at the left of the table. If you aren't sure how to identify your catch, watch this video to learn how to identify the 14 most common fish species in Vermont waters. Then, look to the right of that fish species name to see what rules apply to catching and keeping that type of fish. There are some water bodies with specific regulations that override those listed in Table 1. In the electronic version, just above Table 1, there are links to the Index of Rivers and the Index of Lakes to find water body-specific regulations. Table 2 contains general fishing regulations for Lake Champlain. Like Table 1, it lists fish species, minimum length to legally keep a fish of that species, daily limit, legal methods, and open season. However, this table contains regulations that only apply to Lake Champlain. Table 3 describes general fishing regulations for the Connecticut River. This table describes specific fish species found in the Connecticut River and the rules that apply to catching those species. Let's practice using Table 2. Let's say you caught a yellow perch. To know what regulations apply to catching this fish, look in the far left column of Table 2 for yellow perch. It is near the bottom of the table. Once you find it, look across the table to the right for regulations. You can see there is no minimum length, no limit, and that yellow perch can be caught all year during both open water and ice fishing. However, remember to take only what you plan to utilize to preserve fish populations. By following the fishing regulations defined by the state of Vermont, we can all do our part to ensure fish of many species will be able to survive for years to come. Happy fishing!